Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Hajira and today I am going to talk about episiotomy. Episiotomy is a small cut you may need when you give birth. It makes the opening of your vagina larger, it speeds up delivery, it helps your baby come out without tearing your vagina. And if a baby is stuck inside you, it may space for forceps or instructor. At the time of delivery, the opening to the uterus called the cervix dilates to allow the baby to pass from the uterus into the vagina. The vagina is a muscular tube that expands to accommodate the head and shoulders of the baby once uterine contractions continue to push baby outward. Occasionally, the vaginal opening is too narrow to allow the baby to be born without tearing the vagina. When this risk is present, a procedure called episiotomy may be performed. Anesthesia. Before episiotomy, you are giving a numbing injection. If you already had an epidural or other anesthesia, you may not need injection. Types of episiotomy. There are two types of episiotomy cuts. The most common starts from bottom of your vagina and goes down. The second type starts near your bottom of the vagina and goes out of an angle. The cut you will have is based on your needs. After delivery, your cuts are closed with suture. You need to properly care for your episiotomy as it heals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video.